In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to make money with Linktree. It's so simple and it works worldwide. And other than that, you can get started for free here on Linktree. So with that said, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's dive into it. Alright, as you can see, we are on Linktree's homepage. And in case you haven't heard of this online service yet, let me explain in a few words what Linktree is and how it can help you in your personal and professional project. It is in fact quite simple. Linktree will allow you to place links to your social media accounts, sales and landing pages, online stores, blogs and websites. In fact, any URL that is not related to shady or unethical things, of course, together in a landing page bio, a so-called link tree, as we can see here. These link trees can be created with just a few clicks, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in a moment. Personalized, saved with your username and then shared anywhere online. For example, on social networks, so that your subscribers and potential new subscribers can see your link tree and its branches and be redirected to your landing pages, such as your profiles or other social media networks, your online stores, your sales pages, etc. with a single click, and therefore drive more traffic and make more sales with whatever you're selling or marketing. So now that we know what Linktree is for and how you can use it for your online business, let's learn more about its features and functions, and also how you can create and configure your own Linktree yourself. As I said before, it's not really that complicated. So first of all, you will need to register. You can do it for free by clicking on this register button here in the upper right corner. I'm already logged in, so it doesn't ask me to sign up, but you will see the register button when you try to register. Create your own account on the next page by choosing a username that hasn't been used yet and submitting a valid email address below. And on the next page, select a category that best describes your Linktree business from the list below. You can choose categories such as business, creative, education, entertainment, fashion and beauty, food, politics, health and wellness, non-profits, technology, travel and much more. I'm going to choose business as the main category because I guess we'll be using Linktree primarily for generating profit, like sending traffic to sales pages, online stores, etc. And finally, they will give you the option to associate your Linktree with your social media accounts. I will, however, ignore that for now and show you step by step how to set up your Linktree from scratch. So once in your newly created account, take a look. The first thing I recommend you do is to verify your account so that you can use all of its features and functions without any limitations. So let me do it very quickly. Just go over to your inbox and click on that verification link. They will email you to activate your account, and that's it. Your account has been verified, which is great, right? Alright, next you click on this add link button here and then add as many links as you want to your Linktree. This is what your Linktree will look like without any links added. And let's start with something simple. Let's say you want to promote your channel or YouTube or TikTok channels and redirect your subscribers to one of your best videos. For example, this sample video, click the share button below the video, copy the URL, then go back to Linktree and paste the URL here. You wait a moment and let the AI add your link to your Linktree. It's here. You can see the title of your linked video here and the thumbnail here on the right side of your Linktree. If you want, you can also customize the link title and URL. I would stop here because I think the title is actually quite good, quite catchy. I would say copy this $4,000 a week YouTube ChatGPT automation method. So this video tutorial teaches viewers how to combine the power of AI using ChatGPT with YouTube automation, which sounds interesting. So once your Linktree is published, for example on social media, your subscribers will see that thumbnail, the title of the video, and have the option to click on it to be redirected to the landing page, which would be YouTube. And you can choose to view this video on your Linktree or on YouTube. I will go with the second option. So to add your next link, click on this button below, go to the landing page, like for example a video on TikTok. This recipe video here teaches how to bake a chocolate cake. And for example, it's so delicious. Now copy the video URL, go back to the Linktree, paste the URL here in this field and let this side do the rest. And it's here. As you can see, Linktree can automatically detect the video format or medium. For example, if you added a TikTok video, it is identified as such by the AI, so you don't have to manually submit information or configure anything. You can summarize the title as mentioned above, like delicious chocolate cake recipe, or you can use something more catchy to grab your potential viewers' attention. And that's all. And below the URL, we can see the overall click count of your link. And here on the right, we can see the delete button. For example, if you want to delete the link from your Linktree, additionally, you can customize and edit the entire Linktree at any time, even after it has been published and live. And what you can also do is link your affiliate campaigns or sales campaigns in general if you run any. For example, let's say you've partnered with a vendor on ClickBank, one of the most popular affiliate marketplaces in the world, and you're promoting one of their products, like this online course here that teaches how to drive organic traffic for websites. Promoting this digital product could earn you a commission per conversion of up to $237, which is great, right? So click that blue promote button, enter your nickname, and let ClickBank generate your referral link for you on full autopilot. So let me do that. Then go back to Linktree and add your affiliate link to your Linktree like this. And then sometimes you may get a notification telling you that the link you are about to share through your Linktree bio landing page is not secure. Things like this always happen with affiliate links in particular. A possible solution would be to shorten and, if necessary, personalize the link, for example through link shortening services such as Bitly or ShrinkMe. You can do this for free at any time on these link shortening services and even monetize your shortened link. For example, here on ShrinkMe, you can get extra money for sharing your shortened link and get a small reward every time someone clicks on your shortened URL. You just paste your link here, give it an interesting name if you like. This might increase your link conversion rate a bit and let the link shortener do its magic. Here you have it. You can now add this link to your bio landing page on Linktree if you wish, and even more links. It all depends on you. However, I personally wouldn't fill your Linktree with too many links. Around 5 should do it. Now, before sharing your Linktree with potential new subscribers on the internet, for example on social media networks, using this link on the right, I suggest that you customize it to give it a personal touch. You can give it a unique look, describe it in a few words here, and upload a profile picture. You can use different themes. As you can see, most themes are locked. It's because I created a free account, and signing up for a paid subscription will give you access to more features and customization tools, such as customizable themes and fonts, all sorts of analytic tools, and even things like exclusive webinars and tutorial videos that will teach you how to get the most out of your created link trees. I personally am totally fine with a free subscription. As a free member, I can add unlimited links and apps to my Linktree, so I currently see no reason why I should upgrade my account. And ultimately, it's up to you how much customization and functionality you like or need for your Linktree campaign. And once you're happy with your setup, browse through the settings, and here are some really useful plugins and integrations, like mailing list integrations and all sorts of tracking tools, plus a referral system you can join if you want. And finally, start your own Linktree by clicking this share button here in the top right corner, then copy in your bio link to share with people all over the internet. And there you have it, guys. That's exactly how you can utilize Linktree for both your personal and professional online endeavors, even if you're just starting out. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for next time.